why am I in handcuffs? If I'm calling them but I'm telling you, you guys got the wrong guy. I know what's
so
going on.
what time was your car stolen?
I told you, probably around about 5. I didn't pay attention to the time.
Body camera footage shows Miami police officers detaining Samuel Scott Jr. after he reported his vehicle stolen, mistakenly identifying him as a suspect based on a vague description. Under Florida law, police may briefly detain individuals if they have reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. However, Scott's cooperation and lack of evasive behavior raised questions about this detainment. Despite Scott's clear statements that he was the vehicle's owner and had called for help, officers treated him as if he were the suspect. This encounter has raised concerns about the appropriateness of the officer's actions.
Right, so you can have the enter on the 17th Street side, 1850 4425.
Show me today one more totally call.
Yep, esa misma es. ¿Pero qué? ¿Qué estás esperando? ¿Tú eres un sargento? Ok, yo tengo mi sargento. Alright? Ok?
4422, you ready, huh?
Oh, seguro que sí.
4324, show you responding.
Yeah, you're sweating a lot.
To a
You're sweating a
13.
lot. Now what? Testosterone? Oh, you drink testosterone? It makes you sweat a lot?
And it's the 13, and it's take the 15.
I'm getting ready to do it.
Okay. You finished? Do the report. You got the report, everything? He signed?
Yeah, no, this is the affidavit.
He signed the affidavit?
Yeah, he signed.
Okay. QRX one.
1113, Bravo.
QRX.
I mean, if you want to confirm
QRX.
Ain't no detain him.
He's being detained right now, but QRX. No, I'm talking to Hernandez.
I can confirm.
The footage also shows Officer Jonathan Guzman confiscating Scott's cell phone, military ID, and wallet during the detention. Florida law requires officers to log all seized property to maintain a clear chain of custody, essential for evidence handling and accountability. However, Guzman did not formally record Scott's belongings, as shown in the footage, which casts doubt on their handling. This failure became a key issue in Scott's case, as his belongings were never officially documented. The lack of proper recording has fueled claims of procedural negligence by the officers.
Is that he's contacting somebody else?
4325 and 4324, show you responding to 13 other units available. At 32 and Northwest 5 Avenue, 32 and Northwest 5 Avenue, Piccolo, Soria,
Yeah.
Meal,
Hello?
Route 50 units. 4221, that's KFL. And do you live in the vice of Mr. Baker in front of the station?
Put your hands behind your back, Kevin.
Huh?
Put your hands behind your back, Kevin.
4322.
I'm being arrested.
Detained right now.
Why am I being detained?
I'm going to explain to you in a minute.
4221, right? 1123.
Do that report for me whenever you get it. No, I got him. I got him on my car. Make sure you complete that report because I need that.
Okay.
Okay? Please. Just come with me for a second. Where's your ID?
Right there.
You're going to take all your stuff? We can't take this? Or this?
Can you like, what about my kids? I mean, I literally, I went over there to see my kids and everything. My kids are...
Where are your kids?
I was with them.
Where are
They're over there at, what's the name? They're over at my cousin's house. So,
When?
huh?
When?
323.
What? I've been over there since, what? I want to say at least 5:30, 6 o'clock. I actually walked back over here.
You have two IDs?
Yeah.
That's not good.
Well, one is an ID and one is a driver's license.
Okay.
All right. Are you going to take me to see my kids or something, or am I going
Listen to me. You're being detained. Okay? When we get the story together, I'll let you know what's up, okay?
All right, but it's still not okay.
You mind if I sit in your car?
I really don't know
It's a bigger space.
what I did.
I really don't care, but...
Okay.
You guys have been invited to the subsequent COA.
Sit on this car, it's bigger.
Now for a
Okay.
I don't want you to
13.
be with my car small. So let's see.
13 is going to be at 140 Northeast 39th Street, number 102.
What is the address where your kid?
It's rest
Where were you before here?
Didn't call the police over there because it's a
427 reference.
Okay. What's the actual address of the house that you want?
It seems to be an ongoing bad connection there on
I don't know the actual number.
The unit number?
I want to say
102.
So your kids don't stay
I
there?
believe that
No,
one
they
is
stay with
also
me.
So where you say your kids were
I'm
there?
gonna go by and check it
yeah,
out.
because I brought them over there to play. That's where my other little cousin is.
I need an address so I can.
If you ask my aunt who's right there, that house right there, she could probably give you the address or something, or call them. I don't have the address. They can actually confirm I was there.
Okay.
Already 10.
That's what.
10. Mommy, can I get it?
Further footage reveals Guzman turning off his body camera multiple times during Scott's detention, violating protocols that ensure transparency in police interactions. Florida law mandates continuous recording during arrests to preserve an objective account of events, which is crucial for protecting both suspects and officers. By turning off his camera, Guzman compromised the accountability of the recording, weakening the objectivity required by law. This selective recording further supports claims of mishandling and misconduct.
Listen, I'm gonna read you your rights real quick. All right.
I'm telling you guys got the wrong guy. I can confirm where I was, and I can even confirm my activities. I recently logged off of the VPN at my job.
Okay. At what time?
Roughly before I came over here, before I called you guys. But I'm telling you, you guys got the wrong guy.
Okay. The description of the guy that took off from your car is just like yours.
But that's half of Miami. Bald-headed with a beard, or even if he had dreads, it's dreads with a beard. But then it's not fair. I mean, like I said, my kids, I called because my car got stolen. My kids are over there. They don't even know what's going on.
So what time was your car stolen?
I told you, probably around about 5. I didn't pay attention to the time. I really just jumped out of the car to go see. That's it. If you want, like I said, we can go. Like, I had my kids and stuff like that, dropped them off, came over to say hi. And I went, I don't know what happened. I don't. I mean, like I said, I know the people that stay across there, over here, all over the place. I don't know what happened. My car just, somebody jumped in, drove off. And I'm sorry, but I'm telling you, I didn't do it. I mean, literally, I mean, why would I call the police? I mean, I called because my car is stolen. I mean, how me and my kids are going to get home? My pillow, my work ID, my work stuff, all of that stuff is in there. Why would I? That's why I'm like, why am I in handcuffs? If I'm calling them and I'm...
Just give me a second, okay? Right. I'm gonna open the window so he's behind there.
Following the detention, Scott was charged with offenses such as leaving the scene of an accident and possession of marijuana, though all charges were later dismissed due to lack of evidence. Scott's lawsuit claims he was racially profiled, unlawfully detained, and subjected to mishandling of his personal belongings. The lawsuit seeks $500,000 in damages for emotional distress, reputational harm, and stealing his cell phone and wallet, which remain unreturned. Despite findings of negligence in handling Scott's property, Guzman continues to work within the Miami Police Department. Scott's attorney argues that this case underscores the need for accountability and reform to prevent future incidents of similar alleged misconduct. We'll provide you with an update on the lawsuit as soon as there are new developments in the case. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.